This is a mid-80s Delco 2700 ETR radio, and I'm going to show you how to operate one of these. First, I'll turn the radio off and then shut the ignition off. So this is key off. To display the time of day, press the volume control button. The clock will display for a few seconds, then go out. When the ignition switch is in the accessory or run position, the time of day will show, or the clock will show continuously while the radio is off. When you turn the radio on, the current station will display for a few seconds, and then it will go back to the clock. Control the loudness using the volume control here. This is your left-right balance knob. This is the front-back fader, and on this radio I'm using just the front speaker, so I have the fader set to the fronts. The seek button will, when pressed, this light will come on and it will go to the next available station and play it for a few seconds. Then go to the next available station and play it for a few seconds. And so on until you press the seek button again. These are the station presets, and we'll go to stations which you have selected. As you can see, I have a few that aren't set up. So to set a preset, tune in the station that you want to listen to and pull out and release. Then the preset will be saved in your station memory. This button is the seek button, and when you press it, the radio automatically jumps to the next available station. To select the AM band, press the tuning knob and it will go to the AM band. To go back to the FM band, press the tuning knob again. The scan, seek, and presets buttons all work the same on the AM band as they do the FM band. You can tune manually by rotating the tuning knob. If you'd like to know what station you're listening to, and the clock is displayed, obviously, that's the default, just press the volume control button, and the current station will be displayed for a few seconds. There are tone controls. There is a treble boost and treble cut, and bass boost and bass cut by operating these sliders. This radio also features a dynamic noise reduction. Press the button up to enable dynamic noise reduction. Push the switch down to disable dynamic noise reduction. Anytime you don't want to listen to the radio anymore, simply advance the volume control knob counterclockwise till you hear it click. The radio goes off and you have a clock. Anyway, this is Oklahoma Bridges, and thank you for watching.